how to add or change your banner on Reddit. Today guys, I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First, you will open Reddit, and when Reddit is opening, you will just go here on your profile, click on it, then go to my profile, open your profile, then go to edit, and then click here on your banner, then click library. Then for example, you have to choose a picture. For example, I will choose this picture, and I will wait little until it come here, and then when I finish I will click save, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.